So when one comes to Gaudiya Vaishnavism, he'll basically take initiation either in the Nityananda Parivar, Nitai Parivar, or Dvaita Parivar. That is, of course, Gadadhar Parivar is also there. But either there, it's Gadadhar, then it's Gopal Bhatta or whoever. But basically then, if you come to Nitai Parivar, then you don't choose, I choose to follow Rangadevi. I choose to follow, this Sakhi. And I like this Manjari. Well, no, I like this Manjari, but I like this Sakhi. No, you're actually given by Guru and by your lining up with a particular Parivar, you're given role models to follow. But it's not exclusive. I'm a Nitai Parivar, let's say, for example. So now in Nitai Parivar, our role models are Rupa Manjari and Lalita. It's called Yuteshwari. Everyone that comes in that means the leader of that group of Sakhis. Yuta means group. Ishwar means master, mistress, leader, controller. So every thousands, millions, whatever people in the Nitai Parivar, they'll be serving under Rupa Manjari and Lita Sakhi. Now if you're in Advaita Parivar, you'll be serving under Vishakha Sakhi and Rati Manjari. Rati Manjari is Raghunath Das. Many say that. Some also has some other identity, it's said. So therefore, but when you're in Advaita Parivar or you're in Nitai Parivar, it doesn't mean, I'm only with Vishakha, I don't serve with Lalita, I don't serve with Rati Manjari. We're all serving together. So we don't have to think about which bhava, which Sakhi is like mine, or we just have to develop this mood by reading about the gopis and Krishna and their pastimes in the books that are given to us by our acharyas. Because, for example, all our acharyas, the 6 Goswamis, they're basically all talking about Lalita and Vishakha and the different manjaris serving Radha and Krishna. So you read Radha Krishna Ganadesh Deepika, Bhakti Rasmrita Sindhu, Ujjal Nilamani, Stavavali by Das Goswami, and Stavamala. So they're all about what we call generic Madhurati, Parakiya Bhav, and generic Manjari Bhav, and Gopi Bhav and Manjari Bhav. What's specific as a Manjari? Will I be a proud, bold Manjari? Because these type of temperaments are for Krishna's heroines. Remember, we're reading about Krishna's personal lovers. But remember, what are the manjaris? It says everywhere. You can read in the commentaries of Anantadas. The manjaris, they every single manjari, whether you're new manjari or new bhakti and raganuga bhakti, or whether you're rupa manjari, they have one bhav. Dasi anodasi anodasi. Gopi bartu padakamalyor das anodas, dasi anodasi anodasi. Their abhiman is dasi abhiman. They're not proud. Sometimes there's a proud manjari. Do this service. I'm not doing this service. You do it. That's Krishna. Why did I do it? I'm angry with Krishna. The servant, you say that to your master and you're fired. Just think, a manjari is a servant. We say maid servant, serving maid. If you have a maid or a servant in your house, they do whatever you tell them. If they don't, they're out. Simple. So we don't have to worry about being mild or being sometimes hot and sometimes cold. We just have to remember we have to be on time. It's almost like the training as a bhakta or a brahmachari or devotee, disciple under the guru. We have to learn humility. We have to learn how to develop intense seva bhava, intense humility. Just simply our only objective, our only meditation, our only mentality, our only feeling, our only aspiration, and our only actions are to please and satisfy Radharani at every moment.